What is a theme? A theme refers to the message. In brief, we can say that themes, another word is message. Okay, so when an author or when a writer wants to convey any kind of message through his story, through his novel or through his drama, that is called a message. That what kind of message he is going to give us. So theme refers to the message that is intended. Intended by whom? Intended by the author or by the writer to be expressed, and that message is always expressed through the story. So it is the main idea or the lesson to be learned from the play. Theme in brief can be called that theme is the main idea of the whole story or the main lesson that we get from the particular story. Some common themes in literature are love, war, patriotism, treachery, betrayal, and even revenge. So all these are very famous themes which we always found in literature. The theme can either be clearly stated through dialogue or action. Now it also depends on the author that in which manner he is going to convey his message, in which way he is going to present his theme. It may be through dialogue and it may be also through action. So that depends on the mood of the writer. Or it can even be inferred after watching the entire performance. Means it may be also that the author, he is not conveying the message directly, but after going through the whole story, whole performance, or after going through the complete narration, then we ourselves realize that what the lesson we have got from the story. So having watched the entire performance of any drama, we come to know the theme. The theme is the philosophy that forms the base of the story. Okay, that is the base of the story or a moral lesson. So theme, it may be called the base of the story or it is also called as a moral lesson. That depends on the author if he wants to provide us any kind of moral lesson that the characters learn. Okay, maybe both the characters, they are also learning in the end of the performance, in the end of the story, that what they are getting, and same happens with the audience or the readers, what they are getting in the end of any performance, in the end of any drama. It also gives a message, because message, that is the theme, and what kind of message it gives to the audience. For example, that maybe greed leads to sorrow. So it depends, in the end only, in the end of any drama, we come to realize all these messages, that greed leads to sorrow, or wrong use of power, that we should not use our power wrongly, or we should not make a misuse of our given power. Theme may be even blind love, or the power of honesty, maybe selfless love, virtues, true friendship. So there may be a variation in the theme, in the message, and even maybe the moral of the plot. Okay, because we are going to get the moral lesson in the end of any drama, so that may be also the theme of the story of the play. So theme is a message that a writer likes to convey through his drama or through the action or through the dialogue.